I looked at several programs, and for us, the $1 Million Agent Method was the clear winner and the best fit. I'm a researcher by nature, so I looked at it up and down, booked a discovery call, had my licensed assistant, who's also my wife, sit in on that. It was an easy decision to make. And it simplifies your business and makes it predictable. It gives me great confidence in the future of our organization. My name is Dale King. I'm the broker of Vision Realty Group in Salisbury, Maryland. I've been in the business for 21 years. In an average year, my personal production will be approximately 50 homes. I was looking for an exit plan in my business, tiring of the production hamster wheel, and needed strong guidance on how to profitably build a team so that I could exit sales and manage the team full time. I found the $1 Million Agent Method to be the best fit for us. Lars had been on my radar for probably, I'd say, a minimum of 4 years, but there's an old Chinese proverb that says, when the student is ready, the master will appear. So I followed his content, absorbed it, and after reading Lars' book, and it really spoke to me, and he and I have a similar mindset and worldview, it became obvious after my discovery call that the $1 Million Agent Method would be the best fit for us. The $1 Million Agent Method teaches 4 pillars, and with my initial assessment, we learned that I was strong in pillar 1, better than average in pillar 4, pillars 2 and 3, the lead consultation and management processes was where I was weak. And so that's where I focused our efforts, and we've made great headway in those 2 areas. And the beauty of the program is it allows you to play to your strengths, and you're not forced to go down a specific path. It's not a one-size-fits-all scenario. So we're doing pillars 2 and 3, and then 4, and then starting back at 1 to tidy that up. Probably the biggest benefits I've seen to the $1 Million Agent Method is how to properly train our team, have them really just dive in and buy into what we're building so that the systems and processes are predictable, replicatable, and so it's not flying by the seat of our pants anymore. Our team members have access to all the materials that we put together for them, the systems. It's basically plug and play. And I know they appreciate that predictability, and the production and lead conversions going up as a result.